morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, May 9th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Don't forget, STAR testing is tomorrow for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. Make sure you get lots of sleep tonight and you eat a good breakfast tomorrow.
Okay, I will do that. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 94 and a low of 78. Yeah, I thought it was summer.
Today's lunch options are pizza sticks or turkey sub. Yum.
That's hard. In the headlines, high-tech archaeology reveals extraordinary cave art carving beneath 2,000 years of sediment in Alabama. New deal of our past is coming to light, hidden in nooks and crannies in the visible world. Digital analysis of rock surfaces reveal how ghosts of the deep past This time, almost 2,000 years ago, the North America have been brought into light.
Today in history, in 1887, Buffalo Bill's Wild West show begins in London.
Wow. Today's fun fact is, the original name for the search engine Google was Backrub because it analyzed the web's backlinks to understand how important the website was.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, what do you call shoes made of a banana peel?
I don't know, what?
Slippers.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success.
I choose excellence. I'm Kessler.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, 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 bump. See you next time.